Today, I'm going to let you in on a little paint stripping secret. Fuck paint stripping. We have spent so many hours stripping the paint off trim. It's unbelievable. I have more scrapers, carbide blade scrapers. This one's a nasty little sucker. The government banned the thing that actually worked, methylene chloride. Thanks, Jerry Brown. But I want to let you in on a secret. You can make your own heavy-duty paint stripper for $2.50 a gallon. Here's the recipe. Half a gallon of lime putty, 2 tablespoons of lye, 2 teaspoons of flour. That's it. You slather that mass on a 1/2 inch thick, cover it with plastic wrap, and you let it sit for 12 hours or 3 days or whatever works. Then, when you think it's ready, you peel a little corner up to see if you're getting through all those layers of paint. You peel the paper off, scrape it, rinse with a little vinegar water to neutralize the caustic alkali. Now you'll notice that this is remarkably like Peel Away. They're both strong alkali strippers. Peel Away has some proprietary buffers and retarders in the mix, but they work from the same general principle. Here's the big difference. Your Project 1891 paint stripper costs 40 times less. Plus, I know that everything that's gone into our stripper is something that's been used since the time of the Romans, so it's highly unlikely to get banned by the California Air Resources Board anytime soon. So please leave your comments, questions, and insults on the post. I look forward to hearing from you.